Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you. Today I'm going to be doing the quick and dirty. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katie and this is Makeup for Lost Time. Thanks for joining me. So I'm going to start out with, I'm going to use my ColourPop monochromatic palettes, and I'm going to do a red and pink look. So I'm going to use this. This is the Main Squeeze palette, and I'm going to use my Ooh La La palette, and then I'm going to use my Strawberry Shake palette, and it looks like this. So I'm going to go into the color Like It's Hot from the Main Squeeze palette with my Zoeva 228. And I'm going to start packing this into the outer V and dragging it up through the crease. And then with my Zoeva 221, I'm going into the color Softcore in my Ooh La La palette. And then my Morphe H39 pencil brush. I'm going to use that to drag the color Like It's Hot across my lower lid. And my Moda BMX 402 smudger brush into Softcore again, and just use that to blend out my lower lid. And my Zoeva 221. So now I'm going back in with my Zoeva 228 back into Like It's Hot, and I'm going to get that built up a little bit more where I lost it. You know, I'm going to use a smaller brush. I'm going to use my Morphe M506. And then I'm going to use the color Maraschino from the Main Squeeze palette. And actually, I'm going to put on some NYX Glitter Primer. And my Zoeva 234 into the color Maraschino. I'm going to place that on the back half of my lid, and that looks fucking pretty. And then I'm going to flip the brush over, and I'm going to go into the color Berry Fine, and I'm going to put that obviously on the front half of my lid. And now I'm just going to use both sides to blend this together so that there's no harsh line. I'm going to use the color Whipped from the Strawberry Shake palette on my lower lid. And I'm just going to, I'm going to use my Kaleidos Makeup S5 brush. And I'm going to take the color Whipped right here. Just to get a pop of pink down there, because I feel like the pink element has been lost. I'm going to use the color Delish from the Strawberry Shake palette, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. And I'm going to use my Morphe pencil brush from the Isolate collection. Okay, I'm going to do the other eye, put on some eyeliner, add a couple finishing touches. Actually, I'm going to kind of, with no additional product, I'm just using that Zoeva brush that I used for the pink to kind of blend all this out. And I'm going to put on some lipstick and do my mascara, and I'll be back when I'm done. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so this is the final look. I used my Makeup Forever Lava and So On color for my waterline, and I used my Milk Makeup Kush lip balm in the color Bubble. It's like this clear red. And honestly, I felt I look like the Queen of Hearts. Oh, I also used my Milk Makeup heart stamp, my tattoo stamp, to make all the little hearts, and I feel like the Queen of Hearts. And so let me know what you guys think. I love this look. I think it looks beautiful. It kind of, it's like praying mantis shit, like off with their heads, you know. I would have said it loud, but my daughter's sleeping in the other room. So anyways, hit the like button. You can do this makeup look really quick. I did this pretty quickly, probably about 20 minutes total. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can see every time I upload. You guys could have been anywhere, but you were spending time here with me, and I appreciate you. Bye.